Namaste. My name is organism. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak how to make healthy vegan yogurt. Why is yogurt so important? Our body has a brain barrier to protect the brain from harmful organisms and bacteria. The brain barrier needs Lactobacilli or Plantarum 299Y to protect our brain. In regular yogurt are a few Lactobacilli, but not enough. How to produce the healthiest yogurt with the best Lactobacilli? Lactobacilli from Ideal Bowel Support 299Y, Plantarum 299Y. You get it from iHerb, or you get Lactobacilli powder a lot cheaper from India through eBay. Produce healthy yogurt with organic soy or GMO-free soy. No white sugar, coconut milk or almond milk. I prefer coconut milk. Heat milk to 30 to 35 Celsius. Take a capsule of Ideal Bowel Support 299Y, open the capsule, put the content in 1 liter milk. If you use sugar-free soy milk inside, you need to add some honey. Shake it well. Keep the milk in a thermos bottle warm for 10 to 12 hours. Fill the yogurt in a container and place it in the fridge. It can be refrigerated for 3 to 4 days. Okay, next time you can use this yogurt as a starter to make the next yogurt in the same way. You put a little 0.1 liter yogurt in 1 liter hot milk, 30 to 35 Celsius, fill it up in a thermos bottle, shake it well and wait only 6 to 8 hours. Soy is highly beneficial to the body. If you have an allergy to soy or soy products or a thyroid disorder while eating soy, you cannot use soy. Thank you that I could speak to you, and bye.